stop. Imagine a city so safe that residents routinely leave their phones, wallets, and even expensive laptops sitting on cafe tables while they walk away to order their food. It sounds like a fantasy, but this is Malé, the densely packed capital of the Maldives, and one of the safest cities on the planet. Most travelers fly straight to luxury resorts, overlooking this urban heart. But hidden in Malé's streets are the real stories, the culture, the history, and the unexpected secrets of the Maldives. Just 6.8 square kilometers in size, yet home to nearly 1/3 of the country's people, Malé is a living, breathing puzzle of density, tradition, and trust. And in this journey, you'll see how you can experience the entire essence of the Maldives simply by walking. Stay with us until the end, because we'll reveal the ferry that takes you from this bustling capital to a peaceful island escape in minutes. Malé is built on logistics and ingenuity. Flying into Valana International Airport, you don't even land on the capital. You land on a neighboring artificial island. But Malé connects seamlessly through the Sina Malé Bridge, a 2.1-kilometer marvel linking the airport to the capital. For travelers, it means accessibility. But once you arrive, taxis are almost pointless. This is a walking city. Compact, colorful, and alive with energy, it can be explored in just a few hours. That's where the paradox sets in. Dense crowds, yet extraordinary safety. In a country where more than 90% of the population practices Islam, a shared cultural and religious framework fosters trust so deep that people casually leave laptops and wallets unattended in public. For anyone used to chaotic global cities, Malé feels like a reset. At its core, Malé is dominated by Islamic architecture. The King Salman Mosque towers above, a striking complex built to celebrate the nation's 50th independence anniversary. It can hold 10,000 worshippers, a massive scale for such a tiny island. Close by, the Islamic Center and Grand Mosque shines with its golden dome, a beacon of Maldivian identity visible across the city. But the real gem is older, humbler, and extraordinary: the Old Friday Mosque. Built in 1658 entirely from coral stone, its walls and carvings whisper centuries of artistry and devotion. Each detail reminds visitors that this island is not just a stopover, it is a cultural time capsule. History here is layered with triumph and trauma. Muli Ogi Palace, painted in pristine white, serves as the official residence of the president. Its colonial charm harks back to an era of sultans and princes, though today its interiors remain off-limits. The National Museum, once part of the royal palace, preserves artifacts that chart the Maldives' place as a crossroads of India, Arabia, Africa, and China. But not all history is about power. The Tsunami Memorial, honoring lives lost in 2004, when 2/3 of Malé was flooded, is a solemn reminder of nature's force. In contrast, the Victory Monument commemorates resilience, the nation's successful stand against an attempted coup in 1988. For such a small island, Malé carries stories that shake nations. And then there's the living city. Sultan Park offers shade and quiet, once part of the royal gardens, now a retreat from the dense streets. Since Malé lacks a natural beach, the government built one, the artificial beach. Families gather here to swim and relax, proving that even in concrete spaces, paradise can be crafted. But the true pulse lies in the markets. The fish market, alive with tuna, snappers, octopus, and squid, is the country's food engine. Next door, the fruit market bursts with tropical produce, mangoes, papayas, bananas, reminding you that Malé is not just a capital, but a community sustained by its own rhythms. When the capital feels overwhelming, escape is effortless. Just a short ferry ride brings you to Vilingili, where crystal clear waters and tranquil sands deliver the Maldives of postcards. Another option is Malé, a reclaimed island showcasing modern Maldivian vision. With planned streets, wide beaches, and shopping centers, it contrasts perfectly with the compact chaos of Malé, giving visitors a taste of both tradition and progress. Here's the real takeaway. Malé is more than a gateway. It's the 6.8 square kilometer heart of the Maldives, where history, architecture, faith, and resilience come alive. To skip it is to miss the soul of the country. That laptop left on a cafe table isn't just a quirky fact. It's a symbol of the trust that defines this place. So when you land in the Maldives, don't just race to the resorts. Take a few hours, walk these streets, and unlock the stories that make Malé unforgettable. Which landmark would you visit first? The Golden Dome, the Coral Mosque, or the Fish Market? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to uncover more hidden gems around the world, subscribe and keep exploring with us.